Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to sell your products on Gumroad. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and open up the official Gumroad.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the necessary info related to getting started. This is the home page of Gumroad. So if you look, guys, at the left side screen, you will see multiple sections right here that you can access, such as home, product, checkout, posts, and so on. So guys, basically, to get started with selling, we need to update two basic sections. We need to update the product section, and we need to add the product that we are selling. And after that, we need to go ahead and connect with PayPal so that we can get paid and receive payments for our products. So let's go ahead and enter the product section right here first. And as you can see, I have already created a product right here. This is my text product. So if you want to get started and go ahead and start adding products, what you have to do is go ahead and click on this option right here called New Product in the upper right corner. Go ahead, guys, and click on New Product, and this will now bring you to this page where you can go ahead and enter all the necessary info for your project to get started selling it. After you have entered all the necessary info, guys, the product will appear right here in your product page, and then you can get started selling it. So next thing we have to do is go ahead and connect with PayPal, and we will do that by clicking on Settings right here in the left corner. Go ahead, guys, and click on Settings, and now this will open up this new page with multiple options, and we want to go ahead and select Payments. In the Payments tab, now we can go ahead and get started by entering our PayPal email right here, by entering our email, or we can go ahead down right here and then click Connect with PayPal. So after successfully connecting with PayPal, now we can get started reselling, and after people buy our products, we will receive money on our PayPal account. So yeah, guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.